Guys, I'm Jacob Richardson, and this is my last video for the 5 new technology videos. The one that I have here is Microsoft 365 for the web. So the main reason I use this resource, or I picked this resource and tool, is that it teaches students Microsoft products, and I think that is so valuable for future success. One of the things that Value Center Middle School and High School do is that twice a year we meet with like local businesses and we talk about what skills do students need in the future? What do you think they're lacking from people you've hired from Valley Center? And basically, how can we prepare our students more for the future? And I think the number one thing I get told is that they need to learn more about Microsoft. So I do have a computer applications class at the middle school. And my first year, I had a computer lab. So I was able to work things on there and have legit full Microsoft Office. And then my room got changed. They kind of changed some of the technology things, and I no longer have a computer lab. So this is what I've resorted to. So while I don't prefer this, it's what I make work. And the great thing about it is, even though my students have Chromebooks, they can still use Microsoft Office products by using this 365 for the web. So that's why I like it. That's why I think it's important. It is not the same, but I think it is a good starting point for middle schoolers to get them to the high school where they're able to have more options for like Microsoft certification and things like that. So here's what Microsoft 365 looks like if you've never used it. They have all these different features. So they have Microsoft 365, they have OneDrive, they have Word, Excel, PowerPoint. You can click on any of these. It is not always the fastest, but you can create a blank document, or I will upload different templates or practice assignments that students can open up that's already formatted for them, and then we go through it together. So like, for example, if I go to my Excel, I have some different ones. So here's something I uploaded for my students for Microsoft Excel. I was going over some autofill stuff and how to do some different formula things. And I was able to actually customize it pretty well, where if they got an answer right, it would highlight green, give them a number. And let's say if I do that, there was a 0 if they got it wrong. Same with the formulas. If they went through, I had them add formulas up here, A4 plus B4. But if they did, I don't know, B6, if they did the wrong one, I got it. It would highlight gray. So this is one of the ways that I taught students how to use Microsoft Excel and Word and PowerPoint in the classroom. They are so used to all their Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides that this was all new for them. And so there was a learning curve, but I thought it was good. I know I had students who, once they got to high school and took Microsoft certification, they talked about how much my class helped them. So I think this is really useful. Is it perfect? No. There is some growing pains. There are some difficulties because it is not truly Microsoft Office. But given my students have Chromebooks and I don't have a computer lab, I still think this is valuable information to teach. So I wanted to find a way to go through it with them. I think the 2 ISTE standards that apply to this is 2.2C, which is model digital tool use. And that says model for colleagues the identification, exploration, evaluation, curation, and adoption of new digital resources and tools for learning. And 2.4C, which is use collaborative tools. And this is use collaborative tools to expand students' authentic, real-world learning experiences by engaging virtually with experts, teams, and students locally and globally. Thanks for watching.